Well, this is the first chance of this we've had in a pretty good while. Really excited about it. I'm not going to hold out a lot of hope that it actually happens because we've heard this before and then nothing happens. It's supposed to start right about the time I get off work in the morning. We'll see. And it's actually my Friday. When I get off in the morning, I don't have to be back until Sunday night at 11:30. It's a good time to curl up in the house and watch movies and eat soups and salads and just get all fat and sassy. Or just sassy because I'm already the other one. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I got to leave a little early tonight because there's nothing going on. But it's like 6 o'clock, something like that. You see how dead this place is. I mean, that's nothing. But still no snow. It shows on radar there's snow, but still no snow. Okay, well, it finally started. Got my GoPro here with the battery bank. Do a time lapse of it, but it's happening. There's Badger and the snow. There's Rachel trying to not be freezy. Yay.
It's actually not bad out here, but
yes, it's not terribly cold, but yay, it's snowing.
It's been a long time since we've had snow.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
A minute.
Golly, look at those flakes. They're huge.
I think it's snowing, baby. What do you think?
Yeah, it is.
I like how the snow makes it quiet.
Mm-hmm.
It dampens the sound of everything. You can barely hear I-35 over there.
Isn't that crazy?
And I tell you, I like it a lot. Today's our day to get groceries, but it's doing this, and Rachel really doesn't want to get out, and I don't really want to get out. So I thought, you know what? Let's grab something to eat. A lot of places are closed, but luckily, inside the casino, there's a lot of places to eat. So I'm gonna go pick us up some chips and nails. Kind of like a higher class Long John Silver's. Badger. Let's go potty. Come on. Last time to go potty for the night. I actually think Badger likes this snow. I don't think he... No, come on, let's go over here. Let's go to our potty station. It's still coming down. It's almost 10 o'clock. And it started snowing about 8 o'clock this morning. This is definitely the most snow we've gotten in a hot minute in this area. Okay, what are you stopping for? No, stop in front of me, goober. There's a female dog down here that's in heat, and he smells her. We'll say it like that. Let's see how much that's still coming down behind me, maybe. Oh yeah. Yup. Anyway, I'm gonna take this young feller. Come on. We're not going over there where that dog is. Take him out here and let him do his last business for the night. Well, this is kind of I guess this is the aftermath. I'm thinking we got 8 to 10 inches. I mean, you can look at that truck right there, and that's quite a bit on the top of that thing. A couple of these vehicles right here didn't move at all, and there's quite a bit on there. But I just have a few little flurries left, and this is the end of it. The sun's supposed to come out later today. It's enjoyable. I like snow, and now I'm ready for it to be gone, because nothing's been open. Luckily, I've been off work, which makes it nice. But we may get out later today and go do something. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's it.